Sirens were never mermaids, not one. Not in Homer, not in Greek art, not for the first 1,000 years this story existed. Type siren into any search bar right now. You get a woman on a rock with a fishtail and wet hair. That image is a medieval editing mistake that went viral and never got corrected. The actual sirens were birds, giant birds with women's heads, talons, wings, scaly feet. They didn't swim. They sat in a flower meadow on an island, and that meadow was carpeted in human bones, with the skin still shriveling on them. Homer wrote that. Book 12 of the Odyssey. It's right there in the text, and nobody reads it. And in the Greek art, they're not seductive. They're still, watching, the way a hawk is watching. And the song was not a love song. Here's the honest part, because most videos skip it. Homer never describes what they look like. Not once. He tells you where they sit and what they sing. Then he moves on. The bodies come from Greek art, 7th century BC onward, always the same shape. Bird body, woman's head. For 600 years, nobody drew it any other way. And what they sang wasn't seduction. They offer Odysseus knowledge. They tell him they know everything that happened at Troy and everything that will happen on the earth. Men didn't die because they wanted her. They died because they wanted to know. That's why Odysseus has himself tied to the mast instead of plugging his own ears. He wanted to hear it and survive it. He is the only one who ever did that on purpose. So where did the fishtail come from? Around the year 700, an Anglo-Latin book called the Liber Monstrorum described sirens as women down to the waist and fish below. That's the first time in writing. Medieval bestiaries copied it for 400 years. Both versions sat side by side in the manuscripts, bird and fish, until the fish won. Nobody decided this. There was no moment where somebody chose the fish. Scribes copied scribes, and the bird quietly lost. Then the languages fused. In Spanish, French, and Italian, the word for mermaid is still literally sirena. And in January 1493, Christopher Columbus wrote in his journal that he saw 3 sirens rise out of the sea. He was looking at manatees. 1,000 years of birds, erased by a copying error nobody bothered to fix. Now you know what they actually were.